rosemary and butternut squash baked rice. So into the pot goes the butternut squash. Around the sides, some rosemary, 1 garlic. I'm just going to chop off the top of the garlic. Drizzle with olive oil. Be generous on the garlic. Let them cook. I put salt, a little bit of pepper. Now this will go in a preheated oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. Into this bowl, I will scoop out the roasted butternut. And the garlic, I squeeze its contents into the bowl. And now I will make a puree. And you can use a fork, you don't need a blender. 1 carrot, 2 onions, and 1 celery. Mirepoix. Into a cold pan, I will put my lardon, turn on the heat. Let that sizzle away, the fat renders out. Now it's time to add the mirepoix. Into the mirepoix, I will now put some long green rice, herbe de Provence, some rosemary, chicken stock, and the roasted butternut squash with the garlic that I have mixed together. On goes the lid, turn off the gas, and in the oven for 25 minutes. Roasted butternut squash with garlic, some rice, some mirepoix cooked in lardon, and some herbe de Provence. It's delicious. So good.